let's go, if, let's say LTC USDT MACD, and anytime you bring up an indicator, you're going to notice that the parameters appear up here. So you can adjust the parameters to whatever you usually trade with. I don't know, let's run this on an hour. I'm not going to think too much about it. Let's say crosses above the signal line, then by, let's say, 5,000 USD worth of LTC USDT. Great. So we got a very simple MACD line. It's crossing above the signal line, and then we're going to buy 5,000 USD worth of LTC USDT. Let's have a look in this close. Let's have a look at what else we can do. We could say close position with trailing stop of 10%. Oh, let me get that right, of 10%. Is at 10%. Also, what you can do is you can do time in force. You can do time in force in the entry. So if there are certain times you want to trade, you could start it off with between. We'll do that in a moment. Or we could say here, or close position, let's say close position, let's go, or at, let's say, 2200 hours my time. So, and you can put as many as you want. You could do another or, and put a stop loss or put a profit, whatever condition you traders need, you can put on the strategy. And for instance, let's just put it like this. So either the position, close position at a trading stop of 10% or at 10 o'clock, which means it's going to close at 10 in the evening if the trading stop is not acted. And let's backtest this. And while this is backtesting, okay, this is actually running quite quickly. So the other ones must have finished. So John, let's watch your strategy here. Let's see a strategy with MACD play out. And remember, you can work on your strategies. You can change the entry and exit, and keep backtesting until you find the exact comfort zone that you want to be in. Perhaps, a lot of you traders don't mind if the trade goes into another day. Great, no problem. Perhaps some of you do, and you don't want that, then take that away. So we'll let this run. We'll come back to it. Let's go check out our other strategies that we had tested. And we'll go to backtest. And here we are. So we'll come back to that strategy in a moment, John. You can see the Bollinger Bands here. Wow, this is actually amazing. Okay, so LTC USDT, just a simple Bollinger Band strategy, just crossing below the lower, enter, and when it crosses above the middle, exit. In the last 3 months, 41 hits, 70.39%. And BTC USDT, 20 hits at 20.66%. So you could keep testing these on whatever assets you traders like to trade with. John, nice strategy here. So just a really simple MACD crossing over the signal line. I wonder if I take that away, if it'll be better. You can see we got 70 hits with 11.46. So, okay, let's try something. So this is how I like to do it. If you want to find the best strategies, you need to constantly alter them. So let's try take this away. And let's just go at a trailing stop of 10%. And let's backtest that and see what comes out. And maybe it's better that it closes at 10 o'clock in the evening. Maybe it's better that it closes at another time. Or maybe it's better just to have a trailing stop. The only way you'll know is if you backtest the strategy. So while that's running, let's just see here what else I've got here. I want to go through my live strategies, but you know what, let's go through my live strategies now. So you guys can see here, I've been running some live strategies for the last, let's see, for the last just over a week now. And I've just created a few different strategies. So for instance, this is just using a stochastic fast crossing above a stochastic slow. You can see I've kept all my trailing stops at 2%, which is really, really small considering the amount of volatility we've been having. I probably could take that well above to, I don't know, 5% or 10% to even get better results. But I've been slightly conservative, let's say. So here's a simple stochastic with a very small trading stop, and you can see in the last 8 days I've had 39 hits at 13%. Let's keep going. Here, John, I've had Tesla USD RSI crossing above 65, so I'm going with the trend, and just buying 10,000 USD worth of Tesla. I'm very small close, 2% trailing stop. I've had 5 hits at 10.37%, which is almost 2% a hit. And here's another stochastic. It's simple, fast over slow. 26 hits at 36%. So you get a real good idea of what's happening with your strategies. Here I'm running one on a MACD. The exact same one, just this one just on Bitcoin US dollar. And a simple crossover of the signal line, 2%, 11 hits at 10.99%. I think actually this week's been really amazing because that's stochastic as well, because I've had these 2 hits, and these 2 hits are fairly, I mean, they've taken the wind out of me because it's almost 10%. But they're actually, I think I have one more loss if I'm not mistaken. No, this is actually turned into a profit. So here you can see I'm testing with pivot points. So I'm using different indicators, and I've actually only had those 2 losses, and the other wins are much bigger. Okay, John, so if you want ideas of strategies, my examples page is the place to go to. So if you're going to go to the browse examples page, you can test out all your strategies. So for instance, if you want to look at strategies that return the most, come to the live examples page and just click on return. I don't actually know why it's taken this long to upload, and my computer just might be a little bit slow. I haven't switched it off for a couple of days. So John, if you're looking for the most profitable results, you want to obviously sort out by return, because if you sort out by return, it's going to bring up the strategies that have performed the best within the last 30 days. And as I was telling everyone here, you don't only have to take the previous 30 days performance, you could backtest the strategy and get a 90-day performance of it. So you want to come, I don't know why it's actually taking this long to pop up here. Let's just John, go to browse examples. If I have time, I'll come back here, but oh, there we are. So you can see we've done by return, and these are the strategies that have returned the most. You can view the performance here, or you can use it as a template. When you use a template, it's going to open up in the in the wizard already, so you can run it straight away. Great. Traders, we are running out of time. We need to get moving. So I want to go back and check that backtest strategy that we tried to optimize, the MACD one. Okay, wonderful. This is exactly what I was hoping for. So traders, you can see that just by simply taking away that close time, not only did I not have to take as many hits, I took almost only a third of the hits, 70 hits on the one, 21 hits, and my total P&L was 94.98%. So just by tweaking a few little things and testing, you can most certainly get better results from your strategy.